My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
It's cracking YouTube. It's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing another sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Well, not really a sneaker pickup, but it is a sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. And it'll be right there, right next to me. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Alright, like I said, this is a sneaker review, or early review. This shoe drops in 2 days' time. You should be seeing this on Thursday. This shoe drops Saturday. This is going to be my first time seeing this shoe in hand. So I'm debating whether or not I want to get it. So we're going to see. But I just want to give y'all another early review. Hey, I've been hitting y'all with some early reviews, man. So y'all better you know, hit that thumbs up button, bro. Y'all show the boys some love. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm very, very happy because this morning I hit on, hold on, I'll show you this real quick. Hold on. There we go. So this happened at 10 o'clock and I hit, hold on. Yeah, the Air Jordan 12 cherry, the Air Jordan 12, yeah, cherries. They did a shock drop this morning. So they did a shock drop at 12 o'clock Eastern time, which was 9 o'clock Pacific time, which is my time, and it was easy. But I heard they dropped a lot of pairs. I heard a lot of people was able to get their pairs, secure their pair. Let me know in the comments below if you was able to secure your pairs. So stay tuned for that review. Hopefully it comes before I leave. On Wednesday, I'm heading to Canada. So hopefully it gets here before Wednesday so I can give y'all a sneaker review for that. If not, I'm still gonna give it when I get back. I'm only in Canada for about 3 or 4 days. Chewy's over there chewing on a coin. Stop! Hey! Stop! Anyway, all right, man. We're gonna head on to the undisclosed location. We're not gonna tell you where I'm going at, so y'all can get this early look, this first look of. Y'all know what it is. Y'all see the thumbnail. Y'all see the title. So, hey, so stay tuned. Okay. As promised, here we go. So we got this light color purple box right here. White Nike right there. Nothing special about it. I like when they give us these special boxes though. 1985 Air Jordan 1 right there. Turn around to the front. Description. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. White sky, mauve white, size 10, which is the equivalent of a men's 8.5. So you know what that means. Personal pair, no reseller here. All right, get straight to it. Standard issue white tissue paper, nothing special about it. Ooh, okay. Ooh, take this out real quick. We don't need both shoes out. Make sure they come with it. See if they come with the extra lace. They do come with some extra laces right there. Look like white. Pretty sure it's white. So without further ado, okay, we got the women's Air Jordan 1 High OG Mauve. Boom. Okay, like I said, we got the women's Air Jordan 1 High OG Mauve. Mauve is this color scheme. It's like a light purple. Yeah, I'm just gonna go with purple, like a plum type color. As you can see right off back, got the Air Jordan wings right there. White leather on the side panels and on the toe cap. Nice white leather too, as you can see it. Wrinkling up. Midsole is all white. Got that mauve color on the back heel and on the Nike swoosh. It does come with white extra laces in there. Mauve laces right there. Mauve color on the bottom on the outer sole. Nike right there with the Nike check. And on the Nike Air right there. All in all, I mean, will I get the shoe? Am I getting the shoe? This is my size. I am on the fence about this because I just got the Air Jordan 12 taxis on the shock drop actually today. So, and it was like 2 something. So, oh, do I need these? No. Would I like them? Maybe, because I don't really have this color scheme in my collection. So I might get them. I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comments below what y'all think about this shoe. Is it a copper drop for y'all? This does drop on Saturday, so like I said, this is an early sneaker review. I've been giving y'all some little early hits as much as I could. Let me see. Let me look at the shoe again. Got that white tongue right there. I mean, it's a nice color. It's a clean little color scheme. It can go with a lot of different things. So, but sorry about that. My camera just completely cut off. But yeah, I mean, it's a nice shoe. It's decent. Nothing special. I'll give you all my letter grade when I get home. I'm gonna give y'all some more information like I always do once I get back to the spot. Some more like legit information, like all for nice kicks, whatever. I do know they drop on Saturday, and I think they're gonna be like 180, something like that, maybe 190. So on my way home, y'all stay tuned to this, and yeah, on the way back. Okay, we back at the house. Okay, got some information for y'all. This is some information off of, hold on, let me just clear these little screens. Sneaker, we got some information off of Sneaker Bar Detroit. Shout out to Sneaker Bar Detroit. It should be up right now on the side. Okay, so bear with me about the pronunciation. I think I said Mauve or Mauve. I guess it's all about how you want to pronounce it. So we're gonna say Mauve. But it reads the Air Jordan 1 High OG Sky J Mauve. So they added the Sky J. Is a brand new colorway of Michael Jordan's first and beloved signature shoe that will be joining Jordan Brand's Holiday 2023 lineup. Dressed in a white and Sky J Mauve color scheme, this offering of the Air Jordan 1 comes constructed in a full leather build, with mesh tongues and inner lining. It features a white base with Mauve overlays, swooshes, laces, tongue, labels, liner, and rubber outsole. White tongues with Nike Air branding, Wings logo on the lateral ankle and midsole completes the two-tone design. The shoe will also come housed in a special packaging along with extra set of laces. So yeah, and it's 180. Like I said, the accessory return price is 180. But there goes some more pictures if y'all want to see some more pictures like that. Just in case y'all didn't like what I showed y'all earlier. But yeah, Mauve. Yeah, that's it right there. So that's pretty much it. Again, 1 to 10. I told you I was gonna give you my grade when I got home. 1 to 10. Let's go classic first. Classic 1 to 10. What we doing?
4.
All 4? You don't like it?
No.
Why?
Yeah. Looks like a plain shoe.
That's always your answer for everything. It looks like a plain shoe.
Cause it is.
Do you like the color?
No.
It's like a purplish color, like a.
No.
I don't know. Okay. Well, I ain't gonna give it a 4. I'll give it a 6.5. I'll give it a 6.5. I think that it's a nice shoe. It's gonna go with a lot of stuff. I don't really got any fits that can go with that. Not saying I can't get a fit that can go with it, but it's not really something I want to buy. Like, I don't know. I could probably drive with a sweatsuit or something like that. I don't know. I mean, it's not really my cup of tea. Am I going to get this? That's the question of the day. Probably not. I got the review. I don't need to get the shoe. And I feel like this also gives me those Laney vibes. The women's Laneys that you can still get in stores now. They dropped months ago. A lot of the women's shoes, they just sit. So if I really want this shoe's going to be there. I don't think this shoe's not going to go anywhere, especially for that 180 price tag. So for me, it's a drop. For Classic, it's a drop. Maybe I might get it later on down the line. So anyway, like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host Toon, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Toon's Kicks and the whole Toon Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.